हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम चैप्टर नंबर 5 कंटिन्यूटी के जो 4 मार्क क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं एग्ज़ाम में 49 क्वेश्चन में या 50 क्वेश्चन बी में जो 4 मार्क के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं उसके लिए हम इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। इन 2 एग्जाम्पल 17, 18 हम पिछले वीडियो में सॉल्व कर चुके हैं। अब हम एग्जाम्पल 26 सॉल्व करेंगे। फिर इसके बाद ये जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं ये तमाम क्वेश्चंस इस वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करेंगे। ये क्वेश्चन भी ऑलरेडी हम सॉल्व कर चुके हैं 30 क्वेश्चन। अब हम इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे इस वीडियो में। सो टेक दिस एग्जाम्पल 26 एग्जाम्पल। फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k इफ f of x इक्वल टू k cos x divided by pi minus 2x if x is not equal to pi by 2 and f of x equal to 3 if x equal to pi by 2 is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. It is already given that the function is continuous. We have to find the value of k. Continuous का मतलब होता है कि पॉजिटिव लिमिट इक्वल टू नेगेटिव लिमिट इक्वल टू f of a. So given function is already continuous. So limit f of x as x tends to pi by 2 equal to f of 2. Put the value of f of x here when x tends to pi by 2. So when x tends to pi by 2, the value of the function is 3, and here we have to write the function. So write the function here. So our function is here k cos x, this one, limit as x tends to pi by 2. Here f of x you have to write this one, k cos x divided by pi minus 2x equal to, here when x equal to pi by 2 the function is 3. So 3 you write. Now put the value of x tends to, first step you make this cos x in terms of sin x. X tends to pi by 2. If we put the value as pi by 2, it will become in 0 by 0 form. So we have to convert cos x into sin x. फर्स्ट ईयर में आप पढ़ चुके हैं cos x in terms of sin x is cos of x equal to sin of pi by 2 minus x. Cos of x equal to sin of pi by 2 minus x. So write cos x in terms of sin, that is k cos of x sin of pi by 2 minus x divided by, take 2 कॉमन हियर. अब यहाँ पर 2 नहीं है इसलिए हमें डिवाइड करना है 2 को. हियर इन डिनोमिनेटर वी आर टेकिंग 2 कॉमन, माइनस ये 2 बाहर जाएगा, यहाँ पर x बचेगा क्योंकि हम साइन थीटा बाई थीटा फॉर्म में इसे करना है, इक्वल टू 3. टेक k by 2 कांस्टेंट आउटसाइड, k by 2 लिमिट x टेंड्स टू pi by 2. हियर साइन थीटा बाई थीटा फॉर्म में ये हो जाएगा साइन pi by 2 माइनस x डिवाइडेड बाय pi by 2 माइनस x इक्वल टू 3. ये पूरी टर्म, इसकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी? ये पूरी टर्म की वैल्यू होगी, दिस टर्म साइन थीटा बाय थीटा फॉर्म यू हैव टू टेक. सो साइन थीटा बाय थीटा लिमिट एज थीटा टेंड्स टू 0 इक्वल टू 1 इन फर्स्ट ईयर में आप ये थ्योरम पढ़ चुके हैं. और सब्स्टिट्यूशन पुट हियर वी आर टेकिंग pi by 2 minus x equal to theta as x tends to pi by 2 theta tends to 0. यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू pi by 2 डालो तो pi by 2 minus pi by 2 equal to theta क्या होगा? यहाँ पर 0 होगा. as x tends to pi by 2 theta tends to 0. So if we put x value as pi by 2, pi by 2 minus pi by 2 0. So limit also we have to change here. So take this as, so value of this one is 1, it is k by 2. First convert this one, k by 2 limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta इक्वल टू 3. ये पूरी वैल्यू 1 होगी. k by 2 इंटू 1 इक्वल टू 3, k by 2 इक्वल टू 3, k by 2 इंटू 1 इक्वल टू 3, k by 2 इक्वल टू 3, k इक्वल टू दिस 3 इंटू 2 6. सो दिस इज़ अवर आंसर. सो मेनी टाइम्स एग्जाम में बहुत बार ये एग्जाम्पल पूछी गई है. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k इफ f of x इक्वल टू k cos x डिवाइडेड बाय pi minus 2x when x is not equal to pi by 2, and 3 if x equal to pi by 2 is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. The function is already continuous, therefore limit f of x as x tends to pi by 2 equal to f of pi by 2. यहाँ पर f of pi by 2 कितना दिया गया है? when x equal to pi by 2 the value is 3. Put the value as 3 and take limit f of x is given here k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. So as x tends to pi by 2, first convert cos x into sin x. cos x की जगह हमें sin pi by 2 minus x लेंगे. फर्स्ट ईयर में आपने पढ़ा है cos of x equal to sin of pi by 2 minus x. So here take 2 common, take 2 outside. यहाँ पर 2 pi by 2 होगा, यहाँ 2 नहीं है इसलिए यहाँ 2 डिवाइड होगा, ये 2 बाहर आएगा. So sin pi by 2 minus x divided by pi by 2 minus x, ये sin theta by theta फॉर्म में ये होगा. So यहाँ पर लिमिट when sin theta by theta, theta tends to 0 equal to 1, take pi by 2 minus x equal to theta. As x tends to pi by 2, theta tends to 0. x की वैल्यू pi by 2 डालने से theta की वैल्यू 0 होगी. So this is sin theta by theta as theta tends to 0, k by 2. So k by 2 into 1 equal to 3, that is k by 2 equal to 3, k equal to 6. This is our fourth question. Now come to fifth question. Fifth question is find the value of k if f of x equal to kx square when x is less than or equal to 2, and 3 if x is greater than 2 is continuous at x equal to 2. Here also the function is already continuous. So limit f of x as x tends to a equal to f of a फॉर्म में आपको लिखना है. फिर write the function is already continuous. So what we have to write here? We have to write first LHL limit the function, given function is already continuous. Solution. So already the function is continuous. Given function is continuous at x equal to 2. So therefore LHL equal to RHL. LHL means limit f of x as x tends to 2 plus equal to limit, that is left hand limit, right hand limit is 3 here, greater than 2 means it is 3, that equal to 3. So first take RHL, then take LHL. LHL is limit f of x as x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means this less than value we have to take, less than 2 function we have to take. This equal to limit kx square as x tends to 2 minus. Put the value of x as 2 here, k into 2 square, that is 4k. So here the function is already continuous, LHL equal to RHL. So 4k is equal to 3, 4k equal to 3 and k equal to 3 by 4. So this is our solution. This is in exercise example 27, and in 50 question 4b 50b question number 50b 4 mark question में ये आएगा. Important question है. Find the value of k if f of x equal to kx square if x is less than or equal to 2, equal to 3 if x is greater than 2, is continuous at x equal to 2. Already the function is continuous, we have to take LHL equal to RHL. LHL क्या होगा, ये फंक्शन होगा, RHL ये फंक्शन होगा, तो वैल्यूज सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. तो ऑलरेडी द फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूस, देयरफॉर LHL इक्वल टू RHL, 4k इक्वल टू 3, k इक्वल टू 3/4. Come to the next question. This is it is an exercise, 28th question in exercise. So we are solving sixth important question here. Find the value of k if f of x equal to kx plus 1 if x is less than or equal to pi at x equal to pi, cos x if x is greater than pi is continuous at pi. Here also the given function is already continuous. So in solution you write given function is continuous at x equal to pi. That means LHL equal to RHL, limit as x tends to pi. LHL कौन सा लेना होगा हमें, जो लेस देन है, लेस देन साइन, ये LHL में लेस देन मीन्स दिस साइड लेफ्ट साइड. सो ग्रेटर देन साइन जो होती है ये पॉजिटिव लिमिट लेना होगा, लेस देन जो साइन होती है नेगेटिव लिमिट लेना होगा. सो LHL इज kx plus 1 equal to limit as x tends to pi cos of x greater than pi, positive limit. This one is positive function, this one is negative function. Positive what, why? Because x is greater than pi. So put the values of pi in the limit, you will get k pi plus 1 equal to cos pi, and the value of cos pi is minus 1. K pi plus 1 equal to minus 1. K pi equal to, this is minus 1, take this plus 1 this side, again it will become minus 1. So k equal to minus 2 divided by pi. This is your answer. So it is also very easy question, just you have to take positive limit and negative limit. So here x is less than or equal to pi, you take this function as negative function, this is positive. So LHL equal to RHL, kx plus 1, put x tends to pi here, k pi plus 1 cos pi, the value of cos pi is minus 1, k pi plus 1 equal to minus 1, k pi equal to minus 1, take plus 1 this side, minus 1, k equal to minus 2 by pi. Come to the next question. This is the 7th question we are solving in our video. So it is 29th question in textbook exercise. Take here the given function is already continuous at x equal to 5. So LHL equal to RHL. LHL कौन सा लेना चाहिए हमें इसमें, ये जो लेस देन साइन है ये LHS लेना चाहिए, जो ग्रेटर देन साइन है इसे RHL लेना चाहिए. सो टेक लिमिट x टेंड्स टू, LHL इज x टेंड्स टू 5 माइनस kx plus 1 equal to limit as x tends to 5 plus positive limit. Here positive limit you should take this one, 3x minus 5. Now put the value of 5 here, k into 5 plus 1 equal to 3 into 5 minus 5. So 5k plus 1 equal to 15 minus 5 is 10. So 5k equal to 10, take plus 1 this side minus 1. So it will become 5k equal to 9, k equal to 9 by 5. This is our answer. It is very simple. So once again I am telling, find the value of k, f of x equal to kx plus 1, x is less than or equal to 5, 3x minus 5 if x is greater than 5. The function is continuous at x equal to 5. So the function is already continuous, left hand limit equal to right hand limit, take this as left hand limit because less than sign is there, this function you take, kx plus 1. So right hand limit extends to 5 positive means right hand limit, take this function 3x minus 5, k5 plus 1 equal to 3, put the value of x as 5 here, 3 into 5 minus 5, 10, 5k plus 1 equal to 10, 5k equal to 9, k equal to 9 by 5. This is our answer. Come to the next question, that is 8th one. This is our last question here. We are solving in the continuity. All these 8 questions are very important. You practice all the 8 examples so that it will become easy for you in examination. Now, for what value of k the function f of x equal to k into bracket x square minus 2x if x is less than or equal to 0, 4x plus 1 if x is greater than 0 is continuous at x equal to 0. Here it is given that the function is already continuous, that means left hand limit equal to right hand limit. Which limit we have to take as a left hand limit? Left hand means less than, this sign you have to take. Less than 0 means left hand side, greater than 0 means right hand side. So take this one LHL as this function k into bracket so limit as x tends to 0 minus k into bracket x square minus 2x, that is k into bracket, here put x as 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, that is 0. Take RHL, RHL means this function you have to take. So limit as x tends to 0, 4x plus 1, put x value as 0, 0 plus 1. जब हम वैल्यूज सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं तो लिमिट नहीं लिखना चाहिए. So this equal to 1. Here LHL is not equal to RHL. LHL is not equal to RHL. So f of x is not continuous at x equal to 0 for every x belongs to R. Thus, for no value of k, f is continuous at x equal to 0. For no value of k, the function is continuous because RHL is not equal to LHL. So this completes our all 8 important questions. Students, you practice all these 8 questions so that it will become very easy for you to get 4 marks from continuity. Thank you, and subscribe our channel.